SAT Practice Test T4, Gridden Solutions Step by Step. Question 58. If f of x equals x squared plus the cube root of x, and g of y equals the square root of y minus 2, solve for the g of f8. This is a composition of two different function rules. So the first thing we do is we go to rule f, and we plug in the number 8. 8 squared is 64, plus the cube root of 8, which is 2, is 64 plus 2, or 66. Then we take the number 66 and bring it to rule G. G says take the number and subtract 2 and take the square root. So 66 minus 2 is 64, and the square root of that is 8. So the correct answer was 8. Question 59. The length of a rectangle is 3x minus 1, and the width is 3x plus 9, while the perimeter is 172. What is the area of the rectangle? Well, this is a geometry problem for area. We quickly sketch the rectangle with length 3x minus 1 on top and bottom, and width 3x plus 9 on left and right side. We can write the equation, the entire four sides or perimeter, 12x plus 18 minus 2 equals 172 total. Subtracting 16 from both sides, we get 12x equals 156, and x is 13. Plugging in 13 to figure the length and width, we get that the length is 38 and the width is 48 for an area of 1,824 square units. The correct answer was 1,824. Question 60. A fair coin is flipped 10 times. If the first 9 flips results in heads, what's the chance the 10th flip will result in heads? Make sure your answer is in decimal form. Well, this is a probability question with the law of independent events. The probability when flipping a coin of receiving heads as the top base is 1/2. And the probability of it being tails is also 1/2. Well, since each flip is an independent event, the chance of heads on that 10th flip will also be 1/2, or 0.5 in decimal form. The correct answer was 0.5. Question 61. A construction crane has a boom which extends 50 feet from the base. If the crane is stationed 30 feet from a building, how high up the building wall can the crane reach? Well, sketching this problem quickly, if the crane is represented by that cart on the left, it can extend from that cart 50 feet up along a diagonal hypotenuse. Since the crane is stationed 30 feet from the building and we want to know the height that it can reach, we use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Here we have 30 squared plus h squared equals 50 squared, which is 900 plus h squared is 2,500. Subtracting 900 from both sides, h squared is 1,600, and h equals 40 feet. The crane can reach 40 feet along the height of the building when stationed 30 feet away from the building base. The correct answer was 40 feet. Question number 62. If x minus 8 over x plus 3 equals 12, solve for x. Well, here we have an algebra multi-step. And what we can do is we can multiply both sides by x plus 3. Then we have the numerator x minus 8 equals 12 times x plus 3. Distributing the 12, we have 12x plus 36. And subtracting 36, negative 44 equals 11x. Divide by 11, and negative 4 equals x. The correct answer is negative 4. I hope this video was useful to you in your preparation for your upcoming SHSAT exam. Thank you for watching my video.